Hi, I'm Joe Luca with Remax Preferred and host of the Joe Luca Real Estate Show. One of the biggest mistakes I see people make when getting into real estate investing is choosing a strategy that doesn't actually match their goals. Some people want monthly income, others want long-term wealth appreciation, and some want a short-term project that creates equity quickly. But if you pick the wrong strategy for your situation, real estate can feel frustrating instead of rewarding. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to choose the right real estate investment strategy based on your financial goals, time commitment, and risk tolerance. All right, the first thing you need to start with is your goal. Before looking at properties, financing, or markets, the first question is simple. What are you trying to accomplish with real estate investing? There are generally three major goals that investors have. Cash flow. This means owning property that generates monthly income after expenses. Many investors achieve this with rental properties, multifamily homes, small apartment buildings. In markets like Rhode Island and Massachusetts, multifamily homes are often a popular starting point because they allow investors to spread expenses across multiple units. Two is long-term wealth appreciation. Some investors are less focused on monthly income and more focused on long-term equity growth. This strategy usually involves holding property for many years, allowing property values and rents to rise, and using leverage and appreciation to build wealth. This is how many families create generational wealth through real estate ownership. All right, the third way is value creation. This is adding value to a property through improvements. Examples would include fix and flip investing, renovating under improved properties, or buying homes that need updating. This strategy can create equity quickly, but it also requires time, expertise, and risk management. Also, you have to be prepared to dedicate time to manage the property, the project. All right, next, what you want to do is you want to match the strategy to your lifestyle, because your lifestyle and your risk tolerance are different than mine. So, for example, if you want passive income, you may want to focus on long-term rental properties, professional property management, and stable neighborhoods with consistent rental demand. If you enjoy project and construction, then renovation or value add investing may be appealing to you. But if you have a busy career, family schedule, a heavy renovation strategy might not be the right fit for you. And then another factor is financing. Working with experienced local lenders who understand investment properties can make a huge difference in structuring the right deal. I always recommend that investors work with a trusted local lending partner who specializes in real estate investment financing, because the right loan can significantly impact your long-term returns. And you also want to avoid the one-size-fits-all advice. One of the challenges with real estate investing today is that there's lots of advice online that assumes one strategy works for everyone. But the reality is that every investor is different. I'm different than you, you're different than the guy next door, and that guy is different than the gal down the street. Your strategy should reflect your financial goals, your timeline, your risk tolerance, your access to financing, and your local market conditions. That's why working with experienced professionals, including local realtors, lenders, and advisors, can help you evaluate opportunities more thoughtfully. The goal isn't just buying a property. The goal is making a smart decision that aligns your long-term financing objectives. So if you're thinking about investing, whether you're in Rhode Island or in Massachusetts, I'd be happy to help you explore the different strategies that are available and what might make the most sense for you and your goals. Every investor's path is different, and my role is to help clients evaluate opportunities carefully and then create the best possible outcome for their situation. Folks, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with someone who is thinking about getting started in real estate investing. I'm Joe Luca, Realtor, host of the Joe Luca Real Estate Show, and I'll see you in the next video where we continue to break down how real estate really works. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.